Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook for you. We are going to be doing grilled chicken leg quarters on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill, but I'm dropping this video in the middle of August, so it's obviously summertime. People are still out using their charcoal, their wood, smoking and grilling and all that good stuff. And it's football season. Hey, do me a favor, drop a comment below so I can mess with you guys. What is your favorite football team? If you have one. If not, no big deal. Drop a comment on the video itself. But, when it gets into late September, October, November, December, January, February, and it's cold outside, yeah, I like to go outside a little bit and grill. But, if you don't, sometimes you just don't want to spend that couple of hours, getting the charcoal ready and the wood. And, this is a very simple way to do this. I'm going to show you how to make really awesome grilled chicken in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, guys, so this is what we got. We got 3 chicken leg quarters. Now what a leg quarter is, you can see basically it's, you got your drumstick down here and then a thigh up here. These are super inexpensive. You can get a lot of these at a really good price. But all I did, took them out of the package. Now you can rinse your chicken if you want to. The heat in the Ninja is gonna cook everything for you. So I just took them out. They're on the cutting board. And what we're gonna do is season them up. And what we're gonna use is, we're first gonna go in with just some regular cracked black pepper. We're gonna get that on there. And then I got another one for you. I mean, if you guys watched before, I'm sure you've seen it, but it's a must have. You must get it. Oh, you know what? I grabbed the wrong one. Hold on. Okay, here's the right one. All right, so what it is, so I got the cracked black pepper, and then we're gonna go in with some It's Incredible Heaven Made products. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, there's a discount code if you wanna use that. So that's awesome. So we're gonna go with the cracked black pepper and this, It's Incredible. I'm telling you, you gotta try this. But you know what? You can use any kind of seasoning you want on this. It doesn't matter what you use. This chicken, it's just the way you cook it, and it's gonna turn out the same. So, we've got the top side done. Give you a peek real quick what's going on here. Yeah, those are looking phenomenal. And I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna flip these over, repeat the process. Next time you see us, or see me, we'll be back at the Ninja Foodi. See you in a minute. All right, guys, so we are at the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. I'm gonna show you how to get this awesome grilled chicken. We're gonna turn this thing on. Oh, and just real quick, what we're using inside, obviously the drip pan on the bottom, but the grill grate. Oops, yeah, so we're using the grill grate. We're gonna try to get some nice grill marks on this as well. So turn it on. We're gonna pick the grill function. We're gonna turn this up to max. We're gonna press start. We're gonna let it preheat for a few minutes. We'll see you then. All right, guys, as you can see, it says add food. That means it's done preheating. And woo, that thing is hot. And just to kind of give you an idea, I got a gun here. It kind of shows me how hot the grate is. Yeah, 470 is about where we're at across the board. So, hey, and if you also want one of these, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So, and you can use that on anything, on a stovetop, on water, on oil. Just point it, and it just shows you the temperature of what's going on. So, we got our both sides seasoned up. Yeah. So, what you want to do is take the top side, skin side, and we're going to place it in here like this. Right there. Now you can place these 3 across any way you want. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do. 3 across. This one's going to have to go in here like this to get better grill marks. There we go. Yeah. So that grill plate is really hot. So we're going to try to get a little bit of grill marks, see if we can get that. Sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't. I use the same method every time, but I'm not sure. So next thing, let's go ahead and close this up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this 3 minutes. So starting at 10 minutes, so we will see you when it reaches 7 minutes. Still on max grill. See you then. All right, guys, counting down, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 3 minutes, all right. This is just to kind of get the crisping process going. Now, if I was doing just regular thighs, small like winglets or something like that, I wouldn't do that, I would skip this. But with these, so we're gonna close this now. We're gonna turn it off, all right. Next thing we're gonna do is actually turn it back on, but this time we're gonna actually pick the bake function and it's set perfectly. 350, 25 minutes, hit start, and it's gonna start to do this little preheat thing. Just hit the preheat button and it's gonna say add food. That's how you kind of skip it. Open it up, close it, it's gonna resume. 25 minutes, we'll see you then. All right, guys, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, beep and food. So, oh my, let me just, hold on a second. Just see what's going on here. 25 minutes. Look at the awesomeness. Actually, one of my lights just went out. Half of my lights. Maybe I didn't pay half of the light bill. Just joking. Anyway, those look crispy and amazing. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, you've always got to, you got to check the temperature of your chicken just to make sure that everything's done. Because you never know, an element or something can go out. 167, 174, 176, 178. Alright guys, we have pretty much 175 to about 190 across the board on all these. So we're going to take these off, take it to the cutting board, see if we got some grill marks, and chomp into them. They're nice and crispy for sure. See you in a minute. Alright guys, here's what we got. I do apologize. Do want to let them rest for about 15 minutes. And then I had to take a couple of pictures of them, so it's been about 20 minutes. And once I got in, I just, well, pretty much devoured one. But let me show you real quick what's going on. So on the quarter, you got your thigh here and then your leg. So there it is. And then you have a drumstick and you have a thigh. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and tear open this thigh. Ooh, it's hot. Actually, I'm gonna cut into it. It's still hot after 20 minutes. So I'm gonna cut into it. Man, ooh, and I'll tell you what, that skin is absolutely phenomenal. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Anyway, I just want to show you that it's 100% cooked. You know what? I'm gonna take a bite out of this. And it is just juicy, cooked all the way through. I'm gonna find the bone. Oh, there we go. The bone, there, cooked all the way through, perfect. Clear juices everywhere, cooked perfectly. I tell you what, you make these, yep, you are gonna absolutely love them. As a matter of fact, I mean, here's a, oof, it's not cooling down, but it's the thigh, and I'm trying to get you into the center of it. Anyway, it's all cooked all the way through, and so soft, so tender, and the skin, finger licking good. All right, don't go anywhere. I'll meet you up top. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we're finished with the cook, and I just want to say real quick, well, first of all, the chicken turned out absolutely phenomenal, crispy, cooked all the way through, and I put it away, but there will be a link in the description below. Check out Heaven Made Products. It's incredible, and they have a whole lineup of all kinds of other stuff as well. But anyway, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. Remember, football season, drop a comment. If you have a favorite team, Oh, I don't want to hear about it. I'm a Raiders fan. I'll probably get some comments on that. But anyway, with that being said, we will catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.